kill them with the wine, girl. That's right.
What's up? How y'all been? What y'all doing? Today, I'm going to try another video on this hair paint wax. I'm going to be using Bodacious Blue, and they have a new color, Poison Ivy. Did my first review on the Sangria color. I'm gonna link that in the description below. So we're gonna use these two colors here and see what we can come up with. My hair has been washed. I'm like 4B, 4C. Colors show up differently depending on your hair color originally. But I wanted to have fun with these two colors since the last color I did was Sangria, and I still have like a good amount in this jar. Like I could add this to it if I want to, but I don't know. This may be too many colors. And it's voiceover time. All right, guys, so I just want to let you guys know ahead of time, gloves are definitely going to be your best friend when it comes to doing two different tones and two different colors in your hair. You see this back piece? I didn't really moisturize it too well, so it's not as vibrant. So I figured out the key to have your color come out really nice, really popping, is to have your hair slightly damp and moisturized. That brings it so much shine. Like, it makes the color, like, because it has a slight little metallic. I know you can see right there in the video. It brings it out. See, that piece I had moisturized and it was still pretty wet when I applied the color. You see how it's so much brighter? Like, I don't know if y'all see a difference, but I see a difference. So I raked this color through my hair, and I really didn't know if it was for me. It was looking a little Beetlejuice kind of green. So I knew, okay, I had to incorporate the blue somehow, some way. So I started off sectioning it off, and I did the blue in the front just to see how it would come out. And the blue is, I mean, it's bright regardless. You guys can see that. It's very pretty blue. Both colors are very, very beautiful. And I do want to say, I want to issue a disclaimer. If you are going to use two different colors, please change your gloves or rinse off your hands or whatever, because that green is very light and it will overpower that blue. So just to get like the color blue just to stay on its own, I actually ended up using another pair of gloves. But if you don't want to, you can really just rinse off the gloves you're using before, just to get the color off of the gloves, because I mean, I'm telling you, like, you'll see towards the end of the video when I mix the two colors together how bright it really comes. I just wanted to see what both colors would look like. I am not a hair stylist, you know. I don't do color too much on my natural hair, so I didn't know how to layer it, how to color it. I was just having fun with it, you know, and just creating my own little array of colors. I was loving this little color. This is so different for me to like mix colors, like bright colors. You see what I'm saying? You see how I did the green at the bottom? You see how it overpowered the blue? That's what I said before. I was like, man, I'm trying to tell you, you got to switch gloves if you want to get the two distinct colors. But yeah, I just did it just to even it out. Okay, so now we got to get serious. So the pros and cons to this color wax is that, yes, it will start to chip off after a while, and it'll look like you got like Cheeto dust or something on your clothes. It comes off really quickly in clothes. You can just shake it off, whatever. This is definitely it's temporary color, temporary hair wax. You do not want to keep this in for like weeks. It's not one of those situations. You know, this is just something real quick, real cute that you can just do if you're like me and you don't want to commit to actually dyeing your hair a certain color and you just want to have fun, you know. So I would definitely suggest you washing this out after a few days, and it washes out very easily. Like, I love this. This is so cool for those of you who, like I said, don't want to commit to just one hair color. And any styling you want to do, I suggest you do it as soon as you put the color in, so that the hair does not get, it does get stiff, I'm not gonna lie. It does dry, but it doesn't dry your hair out. It gets a little hard, but it doesn't dry your hair out. I will say that. But you see how easily it just wipes off? Like, that's what I love about it. Like, it's gonna get on your things, but it'll wipe off so quickly and so easily. But like I said, if you want to do a side part, front part, like if you want to pick it out a little bit, still do it while the hair is slightly damp and the color is just setting in, because you don't want to do it when your hair is like fully dry. So now you guys see, like, it's on my shoulders and stuff, and I'm gonna show you with some water. Gone, just like that. Simple, easy. See? This is the end result. Do you guys like it? I love it. I always see people do one color and not the other color, so I'm like, you know, mix something, see what happens. I really love this Curls Unleashed. Y'all did y'all thing with this. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys next time.